now you can turn off liquid glass design in this new update. Hello viewers, finally Apple has released iOS 26.1 stable version update. Many people were facing battery drainage issues in their iPhones after updating to iOS 26.0.1. So Apple has released this new update. I think all bugs that you were encountering in the last update will be fixed in this update. This is a large update, as you can see here, 12.87 GB. It took almost 1 hour to update the device. After update, the first thing that I noticed is the fluidity and the snappiness, and there is no problem in this. After that, I checked the display and the HDR content on this iPhone 17 is top notch. There is no screen flickering issue in this update. I checked the display because many users actually face display problem after updating to the latest version. Sometimes screen lines appear and sometimes the screen gets dead, but there is no such issue in this update. But one thing I must mention, that the size of this update is too large, and as a result of which it has occupied a lot of space in my internal storage. This update has taken 23.94 GB in iOS and system data is 14.24 GB. So it has taken a lot of space. Many people did not like the liquid glass design, so here is the solution for this. Go into display settings and then tap on this liquid glass, and you can set tinted if you don't, transparent background, but in my case I like the liquid design, so I will keep it on. So this is a great feature for those who don't want clear liquid glass design. After that, I headed into the lock screen and home screen section. There is no new wallpaper added in this update. All the wallpapers were previously available. So in the wallpaper section, there is nothing new that you can expect from this update. However, there will be some internal bug fixes which you will not notice. Now, many people were facing battery drainage issue and heating issue in their iPhones. I think this update will fix the battery drainage issue. After updating to the latest version, I have used this iPhone for about 2 hours, so I did not experience any kind of heating. I can tell you about the battery backup after using this update for a couple of days. So stay tuned for the review video of iOS 26.1 stable version. So finally, in the conclusion, should you update your iPhone to the latest version, that is iOS 26.1? The answer is no. If your iPhone is running well, don't update to the latest version. But if you are facing excessive battery drainage issue, in that case you can update to the latest version. And also you can wait for my review video of iOS 26.1 so that you can understand by yourself whether you should update to the latest version or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.